Hey, it's me, Marie. In this video, we're gonna talk about some new jobs. There's another video about jobs and occupations too, and the link is up here. You can watch it later, it may come in handy. On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Nurse. A nurse. He is a nurse. Student. A student. She is a student. Flight attendant. A flight attendant. She's a flight attendant. Astronaut. An astronaut. He's an astronaut. Singer. A singer. She is a singer. Detective. A detective. He is a detective. Carpenter. A carpenter. She's a carpenter. Farmer. A farmer. He's a farmer. Conductor. A conductor. He is a conductor. Pilot. A pilot. She is a pilot. What does she do? She is a nurse. What does he do? He is a student. What does she do? She is a flight attendant. What does she do? She's an astronaut. What does he do? He's a singer. What does she do? She is a detective. What does he do? He is a carpenter. What does she do? She's a farmer. What does she do? She's a conductor. What does he do? He's a pilot. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.